How to design a lush, full-sun garden that naturally smothers weeds. Imagine stepping into a garden so lush, so full, and so vibrant that weeds barely have a chance to appear. The secret isn't constant weeding, it's smart planting. In today's video, we'll explore how to design a beautiful full-sun garden that naturally suppresses weeds by using dense planting, layered textures, and strategic ground coverage. Let's turn empty soil into a thriving green oasis. In a garden that receives 6 or more hours of direct sunlight, plant selection is everything. Choose vigorous, sun-loving plants that grow quickly and spread naturally. Ornamental grasses, salvias, lantanas, coneflowers, black-eyed Susans, and creeping thyme are excellent choices. These plants thrive in heat while creating a dense canopy that shades the soil below. One of the biggest mistakes gardeners make is leaving too much bare soil between plants. Weeds love open space. Instead, position plants close enough that their mature foliage will eventually touch. Think of your garden as a living carpet where every plant helps cover the ground. The less sunlight reaches the soil, the fewer weed seeds can germinate. A truly abundant garden combines different plant heights. Place taller plants such as ornamental grasses or flowering shrubs in the back, medium-height perennials in the middle, and low-growing ground covers at the front. This layered approach creates depth, maximizes sunlight capture, and leaves very little room for weeds to establish themselves. After planting, apply a generous layer of organic mulch such as shredded bark, wood chips, or compost. Mulch blocks sunlight from reaching weed seeds, helps retain moisture during hot weather, and gives the garden a polished, finished appearance. Aim for a layer about 2 to 3 inches deep, but keep it slightly away from plant stems. For the strongest weed suppression, add spreading ground covers between larger plants. Creeping thyme, sedum, blue star creeper, and trailing lantana can quickly fill gaps and create a living mulch. Over time, these plants form a dense green mat that crowds out unwanted growth. During the establishment phase, water deeply and consistently. Once plants are rooted, reduce frequent shallow watering. Strong, established plants will develop deeper roots and become better competitors against weeds. A mature garden should rely more on plant density than constant maintenance. Mix evergreen shrubs, ornamental grasses, and long-blooming perennials to maintain coverage throughout the seasons. The goal is to avoid large empty areas at any time of year. A garden that always has foliage is naturally more resistant to weeds. The most beautiful full-sun gardens aren't built by fighting weeds every weekend. They're designed so that plants work together to shade the soil, conserve moisture, and fill every available space. By planting densely, layering heights, using ground covers, and adding mulch, you can create a lush, low-maintenance garden that practically smothers weeds on its own. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your dream garden ideas in the comments below. Happy gardening!